Hi, my name is Cindy Cashman from Brooklyn, Connecticut. I found leaf filters on TV, and I decided to call them. Uh, they came to my house. They tried a couple of, I loved them. They came to my house. I did a couple of things to try to do the financial, but neither one of them went through. So I just figured it was, a done deal, and that was it. And then like a month, maybe 6 weeks later, a gentleman called me, which was, oh my God, he was awesome. He said that we're going to do it for cost. Are you interested? I said, yes, I'm in. So they came by, they did it, and everything was great. They were very professional. The rain is, we've had a ton of rain. It's going right through. It's just amazing what this stuff has done. I did have leaks before. I have no leaks now. They fixed everything that needed to be fixed. They installed the stuff that needed to be done, and they were just awesome.